My mom is an amazing cook. I grew up with this amazing, you know, Neapolitan mother with beautiful food. And I used to help my grandmother make gnocchi every Sunday in the kitchen. Unfortunately, it skipped.
It's a generational skip.
So I helped, but yeah, so Bill actually is the chef in our family. I pour the wine.
Well, when we first started dating, she lived in an apartment and she wanted to make me a dinner and she was going to make me a pasta dinner. And she put the water on, and then she went and took a nap. Hold on, it gets better, it gets better. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
I worked a long day.
And it was an electric cooktop. It actually had melted the pan. I had to replace the electric cooktop. You know, it's like $2,000. And I didn't even get a dinner out of it. I mean,
I blamed it on him.
Yeah.
I'm like, you gotta replace
this. It's the most expensive spaghetti you've never ate.
Never had, right.
I was like, you were the one who wanted the meal. He's like, why am I getting a bill? I'm like, you wanted the meal. But, so yeah, you gotta teach me, Rachael. I gotta hang out with you.
I don't know, honey. You may be unteachable.
I am.
That
By
ship
the way,
has sailed,
It's a good
Rachael.
thing in that you own many restaurants now. You can always eat out.
Exactly, which
There's
we do.
6, that's one for every day of the week. Take Sunday off, make sandwiches.
There we go. There we go.
How's the restaurant biz going, guys?
We're really proud of it. We just opened RPM Seafood, which is a big development we did right on the Chicago River. It's 48,000 square feet. Yeah, it's really, it's our pride and joy. It's our 6th restaurant, if you can believe it. So we opened our first restaurant 9 years ago.
Is it your largest?
This is our largest, and
it looks enormous.
it was really, for us, it was a moment where we're right on the, this is my favorite picture of all because
beautiful.
I grew up on the south side of Chicago. This is right in the Chicago skyline on the river. And when we saw RPM, because RPM stands for the initials of the owner, Rancic, and M is for Melman, which is a big restaurant family, RJ, Jared, and Molly. And when we saw that sign, we just got the chills. And it was like, wow, this is something really special. So that opened about a month ago.
How's it doing?
And it's doing really well. So thank you. Yeah, we're
Fabulous.
really excited about it.
It's been fun.
I can't wait to go. Cappy, you know, the man who runs all of my charitable organization, he lives in Chicago. That's where he works from. I have an excuse to go.
You gotta go.
I might even get a tax write-off out of it. I could go on business.
Anytime you want to go.
Thank
So we've
you.
got the seafood, we've got Italian, and we've got
Of course,
steak.
Cheddar.
Yeah.
And then we
a
have Pizzeria Portofino.
Oh, how's the pizzeria?
So good. Yeah, so good.
Nice, crisp. If you like Neapolitan pizza, and who doesn't, right?
Who doesn't?
But it's like a little crispier. It's really, really good, but it's a beautiful
Slow rise your dough?
Yes.
I do 3 days for my Neapolitan dough.
Okay, wow.
You got to come, Rachael. I want to know what you think.
We have to go together.
I hope you love it. I hope you love it.
Is your son interested in the kitchen at all?
Well, at RPM Steak, we have a cotton candy machine that makes cotton candy, and
He's interested in the kitchen. That's not exactly what I was talking about.
No, but this kid, he'll go in the kitchen, which is also a problem because when we go to non-restaurants that we don't own, he just walks into the kitchen. I'm like, dude, you can't just go into the kitchen, man.
Well, then he is comfortable in a kitchen.
He's very comfortable, but he will go in, make the cotton candy, and he delivers it to people at RPM Steak all the time. And they think it is the cutest thing.
It is
then he hits them up for tips, and we're like, no, you can't do that. Like, he's all about the money.
Yes, but
well, he is your son.
Yes, yes.
He is your son, right?